Yeah, he's going.
It's checking my clothes there. What? Where am I going?
He was stuck.
I was so angry. I'm like, man, you can't give me a point and a half. Like, come on. Well, they said they can't do it. So I got to retake that again, and then I got 3 more math, and then just my clinical part. We got another year.
We need to know when clothes like that.
I know, we're going to have to get a caboose. Yeah. Well, we'll work on finding another one. Because that's all they had at the store.
Here you go. Here. I got him.
You're all just sitting down, man.
Hey, you can get there then, right?
Huh?
Hey, you can get there then,
Yeah,
right?
really, because I'm going to lose my car. I can't wait for it. I was like,
You ride a bicycle from Camden.
I know, that's a long way.
You move that box.
I need to move the box. Out of all this living room, I got to move that box.
That's in front of his cabin.
And that's the dish for Thomas.
That's the station for Thomas.
Oh, okay, hold on. Pause.